Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford C-Max, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood, and then make sure the vehicle is turned off and cooled down, just because you don't want to work with the system while it's hot, since it works under pressure and that coolant can get to a boil. You don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous boiling liquid to shoot out onto you. That said, check your owner's manual or good online source you're using the best type of coolant for your make and model. And you typically want to match it as well to the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. But this is one of the reservoirs we'd add to, as well as over here for your hybrid battery. But for this one, you would just unscrew this cap. You might need to remove this bezel to reach it, but you might be able to reach it with a funnel as well. But from here, with your diluted coolant jug, you just fill as needed until you run this max line. It's not supposed to be completely full. There's supposed to be some air gaps, so don't overfill. When you're done with that, screw this back on nice and tight. And then same process for this coolant reservoir. You just pop this top open, fill it to your max line. Not all the way full, just around the max line, and then make sure this is nice and tight again. Once you've topped off these areas, then I would start the vehicle, run it for a few minutes to let that new coolant circulate through the motor and all your components through your engine and your radiator. While it does that, I would check around your engine bay, around your radiator, under the vehicle, around all the lines, see if you see any coolant start to puddle. If you do see the coolant puddling, that might be an indication of an area of the car that needs repaired or replaced in some way. And a way to tell coolant versus see if it's water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should smell slightly sweet, and you don't really want it on your skin, but see if you feel it with a glove. It should feel slightly slick compared to water. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.